We're back on the next day. Welcome, guys. We'll be continuing with removing the front bumper of this car. And look, who the hell does that, man? Look at this bolt. Look how long this thing is. Been drilled. Where is this? Been drilled into the body of my car. It's freaking crazy. Look at this shit. Alright, now we're going to be removing the bolt right here, which is also drilled into the body of a car, damaging it. Look at this shit. Like, who the hell would do this? Horrible. Absolutely horrible. Next, we have to remove, because I removed all of the things at the bottom. They are right in front. It's hard to miss all of them. Just run your hand. Wait a second. There we go. Just run your hand from one side to another side. You will be able to locate all the bolts. Now what we're going to do here, there's a couple of bolts here. Okay, so right here there's a bolt 1 and then there's a bolt 2. I believe, let me take a look. That holds this piece. See that bolt right there? Looks like it's also connected. Yeah, that one down there is 10 millimeter. There we have it. Okay, so we right here, and yeah, it's 1, 2. We're just gonna move those. Oh, there's one up here too. Yeah, I need to remove. Well, there's one bolt I forgot to remove, I think. No, I did not forget anything. I simply did not have a bolt there. I'm gonna take the hex screw. Oh, okay, it's not even tight. And that's the second bolt. Now we got the third bolt, which I should be able to. So it's right here. That's the one. Okay, I need to take it out. Okay, bolt came out. Okay guys, so update. To get to the bolt that's connecting here and here, right, I had to remove the wheel cover. That was a pain to remove, seriously. And I did it. So now there's one more bolt. Okay. Yeah. Alright. That's the bolt. To remove cover, you just need to follow the bolt lines. And there's one annoying bolt all the way behind this wheel, so you need to move the wheel to get access to it, which proved challenging. First, get it out. No. There's one more. You guys can see. Yes, there's one more right underneath here. I almost forgot. 10 millimeter over here. There it is. Still in. Take a look at that, guys. Yeah, boy. Two wheel covers are off. Huh? Freaking old they are. Anyway. Now let's get to the bolts that we've been waiting for. Which located right where this line meets, on top of this line. There's a two 10mm bolts. And we have to locate it by feel. Now that we have space, here's one. Let's do another one. Okay. Now, the moment of truth. Okay, well, we got the bumper off. That's good. Now I think I forgot to unbolt something here, because it still holds on to the body at the bottom here, and I'm sure it's 10mm. Let's do this. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Bumper is off. That was the last screw, hex screw right here. Oh. So now we're going to be removing, I guess there's some connections. If I find some, I will tell you, like here. I learned, man. I freaking learned. I think this is the good view. Okay, see this? Right here. So, this adapter here, right? It's the same thing below. So you take a screw, you grab this, there's a rubber fitting. Put this underneath rubber fitting and pull it out. Boom. Simple as that. No more connections. Before you pull anything, always look for any connection. So there has to be the same thing. This is the sensor, right? It has wires running all the way from here to here. So I guess I'm gonna need to remove the sensor, and there's a okay. So the bolt is right here. Okay, so what I learned, I need to disconnect a couple of cables here, and I need to let it bleed. So I'm gonna disconnect the tube, and all the washer will come out. Now, let's do this. And this thing is over here, so as usual, I'm gonna shove in my screw, lift it and unhook. Same thing goes here, lift it and unhook. Okay. The blue one goes here. There's another one that goes right in there. So that's it. Okay. So I figured this out. Basically, you just simply pull this blue section, and it smells like shit. I just pull it out. That's it. I kind of wet the wires. It smells horrible. It smells like mold. So alright, before I go, I'm just gonna clean from the inside, like with a normal pressurized water. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shove this in here, right, and let water go through and clear out, because it smells like absolute shit. Seriously, this is messed up. There we go. This water is horrible. Look what the hell is this? Ew. That's messed up. Wow. That is disgusting. What is this, guys? Is this a new life form that's decided to take place in my car? Holy shit. Ah, just like that. Just like that. It comes off. Okay. There we go. Inside is horrible, man. You know what I'm going to do with the exposed wires? I'm going to tie them up in a plastic bag and use tape. Now to bleed the radiator, I had to buy a couple of things. So let me think what I should do next.